Hello, welcome to Capsim 2023. This is a quick guide for saving a company from round 2. This is for round 2 and the team did make some mistake in round 1. So we need to save the company from round 2 to avoid any further mistake and get back good sale and profit from round 3 and round 4 and lead the game from round 5 to 8. So the company made mistake in round 1, so we still have enough time to save the company, right? You see, we need to check industry condition report as you are looking at on the screen to find our performance and size for each round. But we do not just use that number. We need to update to the ideal spot of each product for each product and check the growth rate of each product. Check the 5 segment buying criteria to see what the 2 most important factors affecting the sales and profit of each product. So we check that from the industry condition report. You can also check the details in career report each round. So now we need to update R&D. We can download the Excel file to calculate faster, or we just look at the career report and industry condition report to update increase performance and reduce size each round to get as close to the ideal spot as possible for each product in each segment, right? The tip here is you can download the free Excel file with the link under this video and calculate the performance and size for each product faster. This round 2 we will add a new product in traditional segment to double the sale and profit from round 4. So even the team made a mistake in round 1, we can save the game in round 2 and 3 and still lead the game with top sale and profit from round 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 9. So we will get top sale and profit in 5 rounds. And in round 2 we add a new product in traditional segment. The reason is because of the low end and traditional has a top the market segment accounting for total accounting for 70% of the market share, and therefore we focus on traditional and low end product first. And now for the marketing table, we reduce the price for 50 cents to maintain the product competitiveness in terms of price, better price competitors. So we reduce the price for each product, even including the new product, reduce 50 cents or half a dollar for each product. And also we will set the budget for promotion and sales. So we focus more on traditional and low end, so we spend more for traditional and low end promotion and sales, the first 2 products. And for the other product we use 1,200. For the new product we use 1,000, right? And now we need to calculate the sale focus. To calculate the sale focus, we check the career report to see this team is team B. You see the result from that result of round 1. Team B did not very well. They get very low sales and low profit, and also even get emergency loan. Actually this team did make very mistake, serious mistake in round 1. So we need to fix that. We calculate the sale focus for this round based on the average sales of other teams. Because the team did not do well in round 1, we cannot based on the result of round out to set the plan for this round. So we check the career report and get the average for the top companies to set the demands for this round. Because we have fixed R&D, we have spent strong for promotion and sales, so we can estimate the sale focus based on the average of top companies from last round. This is a tip to win back the good sale and profit without overproduce and without running out of stock. We can increase the account receivable day to 35 to give customer 35 days before payment and attract more customer in the sales payment. With production, this production schedule we use a same focus. So we calculated in last screen and deduct inventory, so we have the production schedule. We can add about 10 or 15% to avoid stock out in any cases, right? And also now we after input production schedule, we need to update production capacities to expand production capacity to have a much higher sale and profit in later rounds. So you see on the screen, round 1 the team add a new product, but they didn't add a new capacity. So we have 2 products new now. We should add new capacity for all the 2 products. So for production, we set the production schedule. We increase automation, automation, and increase production capacity, right? To add new capacity for the new product, so we can start to produce from next round. That's enough for production, and now we move to the next screen, like HR and finance. We review that again. Last time team didn't add capacity for the new product, so we couldn't produce from this round, but we can start produce from next round. It's okay. So we need to adjust capacity to have the spending within the budget limit. 29 million. So we have set decision for production, table, and now we set decision for HR human resource table. We use around 3,400. From round 4 we can use 5,080 hours. It's okay, but now we use that. You see, another mistake the team did in round 1 is they borrow a lot of money, so they get the deal of 69,000 or million here, and that's the problem we need to fix in a few rounds. You see that they borrow too much this round, and now they have to pay 69 million in the short-term loan. This is very serious situation. That's why we can gain good sales this round, but still no profit because you have to pay a lot. And even we pay a lot, so we cannot get out of that screen fast, right? And for the we get good sales and profit this round. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success. If you like to have 2 round support for free, send the email, or if you like to have one Zoom session to explain all decision and guidelines, you can also send the email. Again, thank you for watching. Good luck and success.